In this demo, we'll see how to use agents as function tools. So what we're looking at here is the accompanying blog for this demo. You can learn more about how to use agents as function tools in more detail by reading this accompanying blog. But for now, what we'll do is we'll jump out of this blog and into Visual Studio. We are in Visual Studio, and in our earlier blog, we've seen how to implement function tools with the Microsoft Agent framework. And in this example, what we're doing is we are extending that previous agent. Just to recap, our initial agent was a personal trainer that can manage bookings, take bookings and cancel bookings, as well as list any booked appointments that somebody has made. What we're doing in this demo is we're extending this agent's behavior by implementing a nutrition agent. And the way that we do that is by using a new method in the Microsoft Agent framework called as AI function. Now, what we're looking at here is a console application. We can see that we have our nutrition agent and we've got our personal trainer agent at line 46. Our nutrition agent has a method called search recipes async, and we can look at the definition of that. And under the hood, like before, what we do is we annotate the method name with a description, as well as annotate each of the parameters that we would like this method to infer and map from a human that expresses any intent. If we look here, what happens is we have a service class that's responsible for searching for recipes, and when we have sufficient recipes, we then scrape the content from each of the URLs and then serialize those back to the human. An important point to point out is that in line 42, we are instructing this agent to only return recipes that hit a particular level of protein, and that's what we can see here. So what we'll do now is we can run this agent and we will be prompted. So we can say, get me 3 recipes with at least 20 grams of protein in each. And our agent is invoked. Now under the hood, our agent is going to figure out which function tool to call. In this particular example, what it's doing is, if we move the console application over here and go back into the program.cs, our personal trainer agent has automatically identified that we should use the nutrition agent to find any recipes, okay? And that's what line 56 does. So we'll go back into the console, and the agent is still finding details for suitable recipes. And here we can see some suitable recipes have been found. Mushroom stew with 34 grams of protein, toad in the hole with 27 grams of protein, and family lasagna with 28 grams of protein. Now it has found 3 recipes. It's now outputting the contents of each recipe and the cooking instructions. Okay, so that's been an example of how you can create multiple agents and advertise them to other agents as function tools. If you would like to learn more about this concept, then check out the accompanying blog at jamiemaguire.net.